and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about Internet protocols. At the end of this video, you will be able to define Internet protocol, explain the basic Internet protocols. We all use the Internet daily, but have you ever wondered how these files get transferred and how do we receive it? Internet protocol is the answer to this question. Internet protocol or IP is a method through which data is sent from one computer to another on the Internet. IP provides a standard set of rules for sending and receiving data over the Internet. It allows devices running on different platforms to communicate with each other as long as they are connected to the Internet. Based on their functionality, Internet protocol is categorized into four basic types. They are TCP/IP, UDP/IP, RTP, and SSTP. Let's discuss each of these four Internet protocols in detail. TCP/IP is the set of regulations governing communications amongst all the computers in the Internet. TCP/IP is the combination of Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. The IP protocol dictates the transmission of packets sent over the Internet from source network to destination network, whereas TCP is responsible for ensuring the secure transmission of data across interconnected networks. It checks the packets for errors and submits requests for retransmission. Here are the three most common TCP/IP protocols used for communication on Internet. HTTPS protocol functions between client and server. It is used for sending private data from a client to a web server. HTTP protocol is also used between client and server for non-secure data transmissions. FTP protocol works in multiple computers at the same time for sending or receiving the data. UDP/IP stands for User Datagram Protocol. It is considered as the transport layer protocol as it works on transport layer of the OSI model. UDP/IP is a connectionless and unreliable protocol as it does not provide guarantee of delivery and security from the duplication. UDP/IP transmits the data in the form of a datagram over the network. RTP or the Real-Time Transport Protocol transfers the audio and video over the network with the help of Internet protocol. RTP is used in communication and entertainment systems that involve streaming media such as television services, video teleconference applications, and web-based push-to-talk features. It works in association with RTP Control Protocol or RTPCP. While RTP carries audio and video media streams, RTCP is used to control the transmission and quality of services by checking the synchronization between two or more streams. SSTP or Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol functions at the application layer protocol. In a network, SSTP tunneling allows efficient utilization of communication devices to provide many application endpoints. SSTP is based on secure socket layer rather than point-to-point tunneling protocol. Let's understand the working of SSTP connection. SSTP client requires Internet connectivity for establishing a TCP connection to the server on port 443. SSL validates or invalidates the server certificate to establish the TCP connection. To obtain the certificate, client sends HTTPS request to the SSL session of the server. After connecting to the server, client sends SSTP control packets within HTTPS session to control both the ends. At both the ends, point-to-point protocol is used by SSTP over HTTPS. The client needs to authenticate to the server. Now, the IP addresses of both the ends are assigned for the routing session. Now, the IP traffic passes through the connection between client and server. Let's have a quick recap on what we discussed. Internet protocol is referred as the method through which data is sent from one computer to another on the internet. Basic internet protocols are TCP/IP, UDP/IP, RTP, and SSTP. Thank you for watching this video.